Oh, here it is. Sunday morning, the morning after. They tried the shovel last night, but it kept snowing. It's a lot of snow. It's actually not as much as we've had in past years. It's not the record. There's somebody out there about to drive in it. You serious? You crazy, bro. Good thing I got nowhere to go today. The blizzard of 2016. My name is Jonas. Weezer. This is supposed to be all bushes. Bill Dunn Entertainment. Blizzard of 16. January 24th now, but it started Friday night, 2 nights ago. Just ended sometime yesterday, last night. I'll make more videos once I go out there and dig my Camaro out. It's not covered fully in snow, so that's pretty cool, right? It's cool shit. It is what it is, bros. Peace out. Bill Dunn Entertainment, showing y'all the aftermath of the blizzard. More videos to come.